We are Pia and Sean, and welcome to our van life with our three dogs. We're here at Kirk Creek Campground, where we were lucky enough to secure a spot at one of the most booked campsites in Big Sur, California. Please like and subscribe, and we thank you all for watching.
A very tired Her nose is moving. Hi everyone. So it is afternoon here in Big Sur at our campground. We've just been spending the whole afternoon relaxing since our dogs have been very tired, and we are about to make dinner, and then afterwards we'll take a walk around the campsite and show you what the rest of it looks like. But right now, here is my view. We've got some very tired chihuahuas. Here's Han Solo. And that's little Grogu. And do you know where BobaFett is? Boba is back here. This is her favorite site. She always has to be by the window. She loves looking out to see what's going on around her. And then he's very tired. I haven't seen him that tired, but he went on his first hike today and he did really well. So we will walk him more later. That way he can be nice and tired when we go to bed tonight.
Look at this as the sun is going down. Oh, does it get prettier than ocean approaching sunset? There's a lot of bunnies in this campground. And there were raccoons last night getting in here. Taking a little post-dinner walk. The sun is setting, and last night we ate around 9:30. So today we ate nice and early so we can enjoy some sunset evening.
Are you a little bunny rabbit?
There are rabbits here.
But you see one? Bunny rabbit.
be a rocky beach. Camp host told us it's not very easy, so we'll just look at the top. There's some people there. Nice little view. Cool view, but not worth going down right now. The whole view from the entrance is breathtaking. This is California camping. One more shot of the sunset before it dips into the Pacific Ocean. What you doing, honey? Okay, let's see you play. Hello everybody, we are on our way home. It's a Sunday, last weekend of July, and we're going to show you these elephant seals at the Vista Point just south of Big Sur behind us. They're having a crazy time, so this will be our ending shots, and they're going crazy, so making some big noises. But yeah, we can't fly the drones here, but I would love to get a closer look. So we'll see how close we can see these guys as they're chilling right out here. And if you did like this video, please like and subscribe because it'll really help us out. Wow, there's a ton of them here. Look at this. All sleeping and keeping warm. And this guy over here is just chilling on his own. And a bunch of them are out like playing 2x2. Get as close as we can. It's like something out of Star Wars. So funny how They're playing out in the water, making noises. This is the San Simeon State Park at Hearst Castle area. These guys are awesome. I could watch them all day. Elephant seals are making all kinds of noises. They're playing behind me in the water, and a bunch of them are just chilling on the beach sleeping. But fortunately, we do have to get going, get home, and do our Sunday routine. So if you do enjoy this type of content, checking out Big Sur, California, even when it's a little crazy, please like and subscribe and set the alert because we really appreciate it. Thanks everybody. Have a great rest of your day.